Assalamu alaikum. Hello students, how are you? Hope you are all safe and sound at home by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to my class. I am Marfa Sultana, Assistant Teacher in English, Rangpur Government Girls High School. This is English second paper class for class 6. Our today's lesson is Prepositions Part 2. Dear learners, in my previous class, I talked about some rules of prepositions. Today, I am going to remind you again what a preposition is. A preposition is a word that shows the relation between a noun or a pronoun and some other words in a sentence. For example, you can say, the mobile phone is on the table. Here, the mobile phone is subject and the table is object. And here the preposition on shows the relationship between the mobile phone and the table. Number 2, I have meeting at 3 o'clock. Here preposition at shows when the meeting happens. And number 3, she is sleeping on the bed. Here preposition on shows where is she. So you can see that preposition makes the relationship between noun or a pronoun and some other words in a sentence. Dear learners, prepositions are used to express number of relationship including time, location, manner, quality, purpose, state and condition. So you can see that prepositions are very important. They show the relation of noun and pronoun with the other parts of the sentence. In my previous class, I described how preposition at, in, on can be used as a prepositions of place. Dear learners, all these prepositions on, in, at, can be used as preposition of place and also prepositions of time. Today, I am going to describe you prepositions of on, in, at, how can be used as a prepositions of time. At first, look at the diagram. Here you can see prepositions at is always used before exact time and preposition on is used before shorter time periods and preposition in used before long time periods. So I will describe in details on by on. Let's start. Preposition at is used to talk about a specific time on the clock. For example, meeting starts at 2 o'clock. Here, 2 o'clock is the specific point of time. So, you can see that preposition at is used before the point of time. Number 2, preposition at is used before the name of meal time. For example, we will meet at lunch. Here, lunch is the name of meal time. So, when we talk about lunch time, we have to use preposition at. Number 3, preposition at is used before indefinite period of time. Stars shine at night. Here, night is the indefinite period of time because it is not definite. Because night starts in the evening till the morning time. So you can see that preposition at is used before indefinite period of time. Dear learners, preposition in is used before the name of the seasons. For example, we use umbrella in monsoon season. Here, preposition in is used before the name of monsoon season. We wear woolen cloth in winter season. Here you can see that preposition in is used before the name of winter season. Preposition in is also used before the year. I am publishing a book in 2021. Number 3. Preposition in show future time. For example, I will come back in 5 hours. Here preposition in is used before the future time 5 hours. Number 4. Month. Preposition in is used before the name of the month such as January, February, March, April. Here you can see the example. My birthday comes in May. Here preposition in is used before the name of the month May. Number 5. Preposition in is used before the name of part of day. For example, he plays football in the afternoon. Here preposition in is used before the part of the day like the afternoon. Dear learners, preposition on is more specific than preposition in. Preposition on is used before the name of the days. For example, he will come on Friday. Here preposition on is used before the day Friday. Number 2, preposition on is used before date. For example, my birthday is on 9th February. Here, preposition on is used before the date. Number 3, preposition on is used before a special days and occasion. For example, I will meet you on your birthday. Here, you can see that preposition on is used before the special day birthday. Yes, students, I hope now you can use preposition at, in, on in a sentence correctly. So pause the video and bring out your copy and fill in the following gaps with prepositions at, in, on. I think you have done it. I am going to provide you the answer. Let's move. Let's check your answer with me. Number 1, the movie starts at 8:30. Number 2, I will visit you on Wednesday. Number 3, we arrived home at midnight. Number 4, the exam is on the 16th. Number 5, I am going on vacation in August. Number 6, the Titanic sank in 1912. Number 7, I drink coffee in the morning. Number 8, the meeting starts in 10 minutes. Dear students, now take your homework. You have to fill in the following 10 sentences with preposition at, in, on. So, dear learners, thank you to all for watching my class. We all need to be careful and take all the preventive measures to be safe from coronavirus. So stay home and stay safe.